Hello, welcome to a new edition of Pets Talk. Today's question will be: should rifle be in the diploma final task? Our first guest will be Porky, the one whom Miss Gremen loves. Here he is. Tell us, Porky, do you think rifle should be in the diploma final task? Who? You? Of course you shouldn't be there. What are you talking? Of course you shouldn't be there. But why? Because you're a fucking kid. Oh, stupid. You forget about his commentary. We'll start again with Mr. Roger. Mr. Roger Rabbit, you know. Come on, Roger. Do you think rifle should be in the diploma final task?
Of course. He's a fucking genius.
Hey, you see?
Yes. He deserves it. He should be the champion.
Thanks.
Bye.
Well, things start looking well. We'll ask now Odie. You know Odie? Garfield's friend? Do you know? Odie, do you think rifle should be in the diploma final task? Well, I think he's clearly saying yes. Are you saying yes? You see? Another one who say yes. Well, now it's the turn of Tweety. Tweety, do you think rifle should be there?
Yes. I think I've seen a cute rifle in the final.
I don't understand you.
Yes, you should be there. Yes. Now let me go. Ah!
Well, I don't know what happened here. And look, there's a snowman. Huh. What could a snowman say? Do you think rifle should be in the diploma final? I'm melting. I should say yes, and please leave me alone. I'm melting. Well, before he dies, he said yes. We'll go now with SpongeBob. You know him? He's a very good friend of mine. SpongeBob, do you think rifle should be in the diploma final?
No. Gramps should be there. Rifle is a fucking shot, and I don't think he deserves it. Knopflick is the real champion.
You haven't heard anything. Well, last one, Blind Duck. Let's see what has to say. Mr. Duck, do you think rifle should be in the diploma final?
I can't even see. I don't know anything. But, well, I will say yes before you eat me.
I won't eat you. Forget it. Well, these are my pet's opinion. Of course I think I should be in the final, but they say yes and no. Now it's your turn, King Wilson. You decide. Come on, rifle!